My eyes beheld an eerie sight. My monster from the sweat began to rise. Then suddenly, to my surprise,
Doing the monster mash at all your parties. How fun. This fun, easy beginner dance. Let's go. 32 counts, no tags, no restarts. Get your costumes, have fun. So the first 8 start with 4 toe steps. Toe struts are just toe heels going forward. Toe step, toe step, toe step, toe step. With counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Second 8, we're going to go to the right with a shuffle or a triple step or a chassé. I'll probably call it a triple step and a rock or a ball change or a rock. Okay, so we're going to shuffle, triple step to the right, triple step, rock back, step. Then the left, triple step, rock back, step. Good. Okay, the counts are for second 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Awesome. The third 8 starts with a rocking chair and a rock and a triple step. So rock forward, rock back, that's a rocking chair, rock forward, half, triple step, turn. Good. Okay, counts. Third 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Okay, last 8. We're going to do a quarter turn now over our right shoulder with our left foot. So we're going to do quarter turn, then a stomp and a stomp. So it's a left, right, and then we get to twist. Twist, 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 twist. Fourth 8. We just did our triple step at the end of our third 8. Quarter pivot, quarter over our right shoulder, stomp left, stomp right, and twist right, left, left. Or you can do it on the ball of your feet. That's easier. Okay. Twist right, twist left, twist right, twist left. Your weight's on your left. You're ready to start again on your 3 o'clock wall with your toe struts, the first 8. Okay. Last 8, let me just do it with counts and then we'll put it all together and you're ready to do the monster mash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Let's put it together. Okay, from the top. First 8 are the toe struts going forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock. 4, 5, 6. Triple step. Quarter and stomp, stomp. Twist, 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 twist. Good. For fun, you can add monster arms, right? So the monster arms. So I'll do it to this wall with arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Monster mash. Stay tuned. We're going to have a really fun demonstration at a scary place in scary costumes. You don't want to miss our Halloween here at Christiane Yes We Can line dance. Yes, you can, and just have fun. It's okay to make mistakes. Just have fun and dance. Bye.